Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So on this video, I'm going to show you guys how to do product research for your Amazon FBA business. But before we start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly Amazon calls. And it's also a good place for you Amazon sellers to network with other sellers. So with that said, this is how you guys do product research, right, for Amazon store. So I pulled up different examples here. And what you guys do is you guys are going to open up both links, right? So you guys are going to open up the Amazon link and supplier link, and then from here you would plug in the cost. Well, I'm sorry. First, you got to make sure that the products are matching. So look at the title, description, photo, size. For makeups, you got to look at the colors, flavors of different products. So yeah, just make sure that they match. And it's very similar to grocery shopping, where when someone gives you a list, right, to go to the grocery store, you just make sure that you guys are getting the same product. So a very similar concept. No need to overthink it. So yeah, if you guys look here, this seems to be the same products, right? Um, Cost is $30. So for this one, yeah, $30. It's giving you 262 sales a month. It is a variation. So again, for variations, I would go to variations here on seller and pick the variation and then check it. And then let's see if this one is any good. So this one is not really getting a lot of reviews on its variation. So what I would do is I would go to Keepa and then go to variations. And then I would look for the exact variation, which is Black Heather right there. So I will just look it up, Black Heather. Where is Black Heather? Right there. Right here. Medium size. Let's see, what size is this? Well, I haven't picked the size yet. So this one's a large. So Black Heather large. It's this one. So Black Heather large is only getting 3% of the sales of this whole listing. So I would look at sales per month, right, which is 262. So 262, and then you take 3% of 262, right? So multiply it by 0.03. So it's 7 sales a month. I mean, this is pretty decent. You're getting 7 sales a month, and you're going to be sharing with other sellers with this much inventory, right? So I think it's decent. It's not the best one out there. I mean, ROI is pretty low, but if you look at Kohl's gives a lot of cashback. So, for example, here it gives you an extra 30%, right, cashback if you use a Kohl's card. So, and also you're getting a 5% rewards for Kohl's rewards. So if you stack the discount codes, this one's going to be good. Oh, large is sold out though, so that's the problem. But as far as the data, actually, I'm sorry. Let me put 24 here because the large size is 24. So yeah, I mean the data looks good. It's out of stock though, so I would circle back on this product later on. But as far as the data, everything looks good. 7 sales a month is not the best, but as far as the competition, it's pretty decent. So this one, I would say, is a so-so product. Next one. So Nike Revolution size 7 men's road running shoes, $60. Bucks. So black white is a color. Wait, 1 second. What color is this? So white, pure platinum white. Let's see if it's here. Yeah, it's here. So white pure platinum is here. So again, you can get like 30, 20, or 50% off if you use a Coast card. So this can be an option for you. Coast Cash also. You're getting Coast Cash and then 5% rewards. So there's a lot of discount codes, right, for its product. And even without it, I mean, it's giving you 60% ROI, 196 sales a month. It is a variation though. So again, I would go down to variation right here. Select it and then click on check. And then see if they match. I'm sorry, and see if you're getting any reviews. So this one's not getting any reviews. So I usually like to double check and go to Keepa. And then from here, you click the variation, right? And then you pick the variation, which is white, pure platinum white. So white, pure platinum white. White, pure platinum white right here. 6.5, white, pure platinum white. This one is a size 9.5, okay. White, pure platinum white, okay. Yeah, this one's gonna take a minute. Let's see, 9.5. Okay, right there. So white, pure platinum white is giving you a 1% ratings. So 1% of this number is about, man, two sales a month. And if you look at the inventory, or if you look at the other sellers, there's 6 other sellers with this much inventory. So I mean, I don't know about this one. This one only has 2 sales a month. So I'll probably skip this one. So this one's another Nike product. I would skip this one just because we've done Nikes already. So I would try this one right here. So this one is a makeup. So it's a CoverGirl makeup. Cost is $7.28. They seem like they're the same. So $7.28 is the cost. It's giving you a 2% ROI, which is a red flag already. Sales per month is 36. Oh, sorry, it's a variation also. So I would go to variations, pick the variation, click check. So this variation is getting 40% of the sales. So 40% of this number is about 16 sales a month. So 16 sales a month to be shared with 12 sellers with this much inventory. I mean, I don't think this is going to be good because I don't know if I'm willing to share 16 sales, right, with these other sellers. So this one is going to be a skip for me. But again, I hope you guys got value from the video. And if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group yet, I'm going to post the link in my description below. That way, you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. So with that said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.